Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am hosting the fall bathroom vignette challenge with the beautiful Marilyn from It's a Cozy Lifestyle with Marilyn. And we will be using a tray to decorate our bathroom. So the good thing about using a tray to decorate your bathroom, if you need the space, like if I needed this countertop, I could just move the tray and, still have use of the countertop. So that's what's so good about a vignette. It is great for people who are limited on space like myself. So that's why I love hosting this challenge. So as you can see, I am cleaning my countertop first with this Miss Meyer's cleaners that everyone raves about. But I don't really care for it. I don't know if it's just the scent of this particular cleaner, but it's a no for me. But I'm gonna go ahead and use it anyway. So yeah, as you can see, I changed my mind about using a tray on the vanity top, and I pulled out my cute little faux tub that I created using mostly Dollar Tree items. I have that video linked in the eye. So I shopped my home and came up with an idea. So I have this pumpkin that I picked up from the Dollar Tree last year. Then I just picked up some towels from my master bathroom, and then these towels were already in the bathroom. And so I'm going to create a vignette on the back of my toilet. So, as long as the vignette is in your bathroom, that was the only requirement. So, yeah. So I want to go ahead and thank everyone who's tuning in. And please check out the playlist in my description box. That will help support my channel also if you watch the playlist. And please share the playlist if you have someone that you think may benefit from this video. So yeah, this is my vignette. As you can see, I do not use the traditional fall colors. I done fell in love with black and white, so I like black and white and neutrals. So that's my color scheme throughout my home mostly. So yeah, I'll put the all the rules of the challenge in the video. So this is a full tour of my bathroom, and I decorated the countertop with contact paper. Yes, this is marble contact paper. And I also did the floors. I'll link both of those videos in the description box if you're interested in seeing how I did it. So like I said, before I started cash stuffing, I was still showing you ways to save money. It was just in ways to decorate your home and different things like that. So like I said, this is a lifestyle channel about budgeting. So yeah,